Hello and welcome to the highly requested lash cleaning tutorial video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I clean my eyelashes. A lot of people have been asking for this and waiting for this, so thanks for being patient, it's finally here. In this video I'm going to show you what I use, how I do it, and basically the steps I take to clean my lashes and really maximise the amount of times that you can wear each pair of lashes. So if you want to see how I clean them, just keep on watching. So I start off with like warm soapy water. I don't use anything special, I just use normal like Fairy Up liquid and sort of warm water from the tap. It's really nothing special. I use like an old ice cream tub or a bowl or anything that's there basically, and I gather all my lashes and put them in. Now a lot of people are confused as to how I sort of remember which lashes are which and which ones match with each other. Basically once I've cleaned them I lay them all out, all the left ones and all the right ones, and I match them that way. If I cleaned them all pair by pair it would just take too long, so it's a lot easier for me, for the amount of lashes I have, just to clean them in big batches and then go back to them afterwards, and I can sort of tell which lashes match up with each other. There we go, I'm just adding even more in. I sort of end up getting a collection of lashes that are too dirty to be used anymore, so I'm just going to dump those in as well. And you want to leave them in there for about 15 minutes, I normally wait. Now here I'm just showing you a few pairs of my own lashes. My brand was called Biscuit Lashes, but I've recently rebranded to SCL Lashes. I will leave all the links for that down below, but here are a few of the styles. I do also have a new style coming out soon, but I just wanted to have this little part to say thank you for all the support on my eyelash brand. It is really appreciated, and I hope you guys love my lashes. Okay, now you can see the water's getting a bit dirty because they've been in there a while. They're all sort of having a good clean, soaking it off. Now, soaking them for this amount of time is going to help sort of soften the glue that's on the lash band. It's going to help get all the mascara and the glitter that's actually in the lashes and really soften the fibres so that you can get in there and easily get everything out without being too harsh on the lash and breaking it. Even though I do that sometimes, which you'll see in this video. Okay, now I get like a flannel, like a tea towel, and basically set that aside. Some tweezers as well, and I also have like a spoolie that I use. But basically what I do is I take the lashes out one by one and I peel off the glue. Now this is the best part. It's so satisfying when you get like a long string and it just pulls off just like that. It's literally the best. I have to admit this is my favourite step, but I basically pick all the glue off, trying to be careful not to pull too hard and pull the actual lash band out. It's inevitable, I do sometimes end up doing it just because I get tired after cleaning so many lashes and I just pull too hard and then I ruin an eyelash. So it can happen, but it's just life, I guess. See, just like that, that's literally so satisfying, like, I love it. I use a mixture of white and dark glue. The darker glues, obviously they set darker so it's nicer, and the clear glues, when they are soaked in the water, they go white. But once I've done peeling the glue off, I sort of rub them into the detail to get off the excess water that is in the actual lashes. Of course, they're not going to be completely dry, but I do that just to get out the excess water. And then once they're on the tea towel, this is just some more glue peeling, and once they're on the tea towel I go through them with a spoolie, which you'll see, and I've broken an eyelash. Basically this helps sort of set the lashes back into their original shape, obviously because when they're wet they sort of get a bit misshapen, but you can go back in, and once they're in the case as well you can really make sure that you're setting them back to their original style, because that's how they'll dry. So it's really important to make sure that you set them how you want them to dry, and they will dry like that. Again, I've ruined an eyelash. That one was very old. I don't even know how it survived even being soaked. But sometimes your eyelashes will break, so caution. Okay, there we go. So I've got still loads more to get through, but once I've got them set out, I'll go through them with a spoolie, like I said, and just really try and brush them back to how they naturally are. And once I've done that, I'll put them back in their case and they are good to go. Leave them to dry, I'd say for at least, I normally leave them overnight, but if you just leave them for a few hours, then they should be okay and ready to wear again. Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. This is a short one. It's just a quick brief video so that you can go back to it and watch it if you ever want to learn how I clean my lashes and maybe apply it to your own eyelashes. I hope you enjoyed the video. All my links to my socials and my own eyelash brand will be down below. And if you have any questions, just comment. Thanks, guys. Bye.